Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me. So today I am with you with the next trait of success, trait 6, that is desire. The starting point of all achievements is desire, a thought by Napoleon Hill. Once the goal is set, the next utmost important thing is intense desire to achieve the goal. Setting up a goal is of no use unless it is backed up desire to achieve it. Desire is the fuel to fire. Desire should be burning. When you have intense desire to achieve your goal, you immediately become a different person and you start living with your goal. The day or the moment you start living with your goal, half of the journey is done. Any goal without packing of burning desire to achieve it makes no sense. This kind of goal is just like fiction story. The situation should not be do or die. It should be do before you die. It should be like kids' desire. If a kid wants something, it will do whatever is needed to get that. Similarly, we should have same intent to desire to get our goals. Do or die is an old concept. Do before you die is a new concept. Let your birth be normal and death be history. The most important thing is the conviction. It makes hardly any difference that what people think about your goal. There are two type of people. One who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in the world. Those who are afraid to try, those who will make you afraid to succeed. The important thing is you think about your goal. If not, you are not convinced yourself. You cannot achieve it. Success is 90% conviction about your goal and 10% translation of conviction into action. It is perfectly fine to be stubborn. If you will look at history, you will find all the successful people were stubborn to achieve their goals. They never gave up their goals, whatever be their circumstances. And when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. All the dreams come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Pursue them. If you desire to succeed, you will. And if you desire to fail, you will fail. Therefore, the most important thing for success is positive, intense desire. You may only succeed if you desire succeeding. You may only fail if you do not mind failing. In Bhagavad Gita 2, Lord Krishna talk about intense desire. Abhyas yog yukten chetsa nagya gamina paramam purusham divyam yati parthanuchintayan. Possessed of the yoga of meditation and a retained mind, not moving towards anything else, O Parth, the man who is constantly meditating on the Supreme Person, he is sure to attain me, God. That is the person who follows this path without any destruction, strong desire attains his goal for sure. So, after thinking, after making your goal, you should have desire towards it.